Now the question number third is check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal 4 and which are not. That is, we have to check the value of the solution. If by putting this value here, the first part is 0 and 2, here x is 0, y is 2. If by putting this value in left hand side we get the right hand side value, then this is the solution, and if these are not equal then it is not the solution. Now the first part is 0 comma 2. By putting this here, x is 0 and y equal 2, we put this value in the equation, we get 0 minus 2 into y is also 2, which is equals to 4. 2 to the 4, minus 4 is not equal to plus 4, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore it is not a solution of given equation. Now in the second part is 2 comma 0. Now we put x equal to 2, 2 minus y is 0, which is equals to given value is 4. 2 minus 0 equal 4, but 2 is not equal to 4, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore it is not a solution of given equation. Now in the third part 4 comma 0, we put 4 minus 2 into 0, which is equals to 4. 4 minus 0, right hand side is 4, therefore 4 equal 4, that is left hand side equals to right hand side, therefore 4 comma 0 is a solution of given equation. In the fourth part is under root 2 comma 4 under root 2. Similarly again we put the value under root 2 minus 2 into 4 under root 2, because x is under root 2 and y is 4 under root 2, and the right hand side is 4. We get 2 minus 4 to the 8 under root 2, which is equals to again right hand side given value 4, which is equals to 7 under root 2, because 8 under root 2 minus under root 2 is 7 under root 2, and the larger number is of negative sign, therefore minus 7 under root 2, which are not equal. Again left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore it is not a solution of given equation. Now in the question number 4, find the value of k, x equal 2, y equal 1 is a solution of the given equation. Now the given equation is 2x plus 3y equal k. Here x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is solution of given equation, therefore it satisfies the value of the equation, therefore we put x equal to y equal 1, therefore left hand side equals to right, because it is a solution of given equation, therefore we get 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal k, 2 to the 4 plus 3 equal k, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 equal k, therefore the value of k is equal to 7. We have to find the value of 7, and this is the exercise 4.2.